It's Trudy at Maven. I wish someone had laid this out for me decades ago, but they didn't. So I'm going to lay it out for you. These are 7 steps to help you be your best, period. Whatever that means for you. And each of us can use improvement, every single one of us. But since you're here watching with me right now, I'll assume you want to apply this to your bookkeeping business, even if you haven't started it yet. Think of this as your no fluff, straight to the point roadmap for building both yourself and your business, because you can't have one without the other. Step 1, find a path for personal purpose and development. In bookkeeping, just like in life, your external results reflect your internal growth. Purpose isn't fluff, it's your anchor. And personal development isn't just about adding more to your plate. It's about replacing habits and thought patterns that hold you back with ones that will propel you forward. Here are 3 Maven ways to do that. Tackle a bad habit. If you procrastinate on hard client tasks, set a start anyway timer for 10 minutes. That momentum will carry you past that resistance. Learn a new mindset shift. See every problem as a systems challenge, not a personal failing. So look for fixes, not excuses. Find inspiring podcasts. Add 20 minutes of business or mindset content to your week that sparks ideas and keeps motivation high. And of course, we recommend our 4-Minute Maven, which I hope you'll find very inspiring. Step 2, become physically well. Your physical health is a mirror for your mindset. When you're sharp physically, you show up sharper mentally. In client meetings, in problem solving, in networking rooms, if your energy is low, your focus will be too. Here are 3 Maven ways to do that. Exercise daily. Commit to at least 24 minutes a day, even if it's just walking and pacing while you're brainstorming. That's just 1 minute for every hour of the day when you're spending most of the time sitting or sleeping. Stop eating junk. Ditch the processed snacks. Fuel your brain and your body with real food so that you can power through reconciliations without crashing. Update your style. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident. Whether you're on Zoom or walking into a networking meeting, it doesn't matter. Confidence sells. If purple's your power color, then go get some purple outfits. Just not in your hair. We honestly don't recommend purple hair as a professionally sound move for the bookkeeping industry, but that's another episode. Step 3, career development. This is where we shift from having a job to building a career. Jobs will keep you busy, maybe for your entire life if you're not careful, but a career is purpose-driven, and that purpose comes with a purpose of its own. Careers build you equity in your skills, your reputation, and your income potential. Here are 3 Maven ways to do that. Take classes. Continued education is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Learn advanced bookkeeping skills or an industry-specific accounting skill so that you can stand out in your market. Start networking. Join a professional group. We recommend BNI to expand your reach and to build high-quality referral relationships. Collaborate for a win-win. Partner with other professionals that your clients already trust. CPAs, business coaches, consultants, banks. You've heard me talk about banks a lot, so that you can grow. Step 4, audit your relationships. The people in your business life either drain your energy or fuel your growth. If you wouldn't invite them into your inner circle today, maybe they don't belong there tomorrow. Here are 3 Maven ways to do that. Replace low-quality referral partners with ones who share your standards. Spend more time with peers who challenge you to get better at your craft. And invest in numbers 1, 2, and 3 above, because we don't want to chase, we want to attract. And numbers 1, 2, and 3 do just that. Step 5, spiritual growth. We all need faith in business in order to maintain hope. This doesn't have to be about religion. It's about trusting that your work has ripple effects and being keenly aware of how everything is interconnected. Here are 3 Maven ways to do that. Start each day listing 3 things you're grateful for in your business. Keep a wins journal so that you can see your progress when things get tough. Take time to ground yourself weekly. I like to unplug on Saturdays and get grounded for the entire day. That restores calm confidence. Step 6, seek adventure. Adventure builds adaptability, and adaptability is a business superpower. When you're willing to try new things, you're more resilient when the market shifts or a client needs changes. And I ask you, if you've already started your entrepreneurial journey, what could be more adventurous than starting a business and managing all of the moving pieces that go with it? Here are 3 Maven ways to do that. Attend a conference in a new city and explore while you're networking. Try a hobby outside your comfort zone to spark creative thinking. Maybe it's a new podcast in your future. Could be. Launch a new service package with one pilot client and see what happens. Step 7, volunteer. It's one of the most overlooked ways to build your reputation, grow your network, and find real purpose. It's also one of the most rewarding. Here are 3 Maven ways to do that. Offer bookkeeping services to a local nonprofit. They get help and you get exposure. Volunteer at a community event where your ideal clients are likely to be. Maybe there's a big Chamber of Commerce event coming up and you can volunteer to help. That happens very regularly in communities all across America. And lastly, mentor a new bookkeeper. Lifting someone else up helps elevate you. And as a last step, take a quick second and please hit subscribe and make sure you give us a thumbs up. That helps us putting out this content. Look, these 7 steps aren't just theory. They're the framework for building your best self and your best business. You can't shortcut them and you can't outsource them, but you can start today. So pick one step you can act on this week, just one, and watch the momentum shift. Because when you build yourself, you build your business. And when you build your business, you're building your future. Make sure you subscribe and don't miss another episode. We'll see you in the next round.